panic. But I'm actually organized for a change, which is weird. I don't know how to deal with myself when I'm organized. Like, I was literally sitting here and I was like, I feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? I feel like I'm missing something because normally around now, I feel like I'm missing something. I forgot to do something. I got my coffee. I got everything set up. I'm ready to go. I am conflicted because this is a nice feeling, but also weird.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning, Sally. How you doing? Did you trade Asia session? How's your mom, by the way? Okie dokie. So, first things first. Let's do this thing, people. Let's do this. Okay. Open. Hello, it's open. Okie dokie. The style's just gonna look like this. I'm just gonna go through everything quickly. You forgot to pin your arm flaps back. I see your mom's fine. Right, or else you would be nice. I don't even have a clip. If I did, I would probably do it as a joke. Jabulu, what's up? How you doing? Hospital had 2 wins. Like, yeah, well, that's amazing. Well done, Solly. That's a good way. Well, I guess. You didn't quite answer if your mom's okay, but I'm assuming you don't want to talk about it. But I'm assuming you're still okay because you're being mean to me. Anyways, let's carry on. Wee! Level to level, level to level. Level to level, 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 level. Level, level, level. Oh, shoot, I missed it's midnight. Midnight open. Okay, now mark out the sessions, the highs and lows. Let's do this thing. Chicken wing. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homies. And beans on toast, I've taken only 1 trade this week on Monday. Well done though. Why not the rest of the week? Just nothing there? Asia high. Technically previous day high, but I call it New York high. Okie dokie artichoke. Meow. Meow. New York low. Oh, whoop. Where we going? Beans on toast, why not extra? Why is everyone being so quiet? Are y'all good? Like that, people? We all okay? Slow day. I know it's Monday. I get it. Mondays are slow days. Hey, nice. Well then, beans on toast, and well done for sitting on your hands. Oh, thank you. Hey, Lance, how you doing? How's trading? Well, I've just hopped on. Just started my little bit of an analysis, so let's see. How are you doing, Lance? How's the trading been for you? Per point. Okay, let me quickly do a top to bottom analysis. Let's hide everything. Turn this off as well. Oh, what a big sigh. Dom, how are you? Did I just say Monday? Did I say Monday? What did I say? No, so beans on toast only took a trade on Monday. Yes. Bill Nye and the Science Guy, obviously. Only trade used to price. I've been profitable on that for 3 years now. What did you trade before that, or did you just start with it? I just passed TBT eval and started a new one after midnight last year. Lots whoop whoop, what the heck, man? Everyone getting whoop whoops, I love it. Bye y'all. Whoop whoop. Well done, so proud. What the heck, guys? That is awesome. What's up, Debbie? How are you? For everyone that's just doing a banger job, let's check the daily quick sticks. Oh, okay, a little bit of an imbalance formed. Do you think it's gonna wanna come up and sort out this imbalance? There we go. English, nailed it. It's fine. Okay, we have 4 minutes to quickly do this top to bottom analysis. That gap was closed. That gap was closed. I mean, this is quite a big support level. Check how it keeps wicking off of it, but let's see how it reacts here. Is it gonna properly come and close? I mean, I say this, it still hasn't closed this imbalance properly. Okay, so let's see if it goes back up. Let's check the 4 hour. Oh, it still has these equal highs. Let's see if this is a proper high or low that's being formed or not. We'll only get confirmation later. Later, alligator. Okay, 4 hour, 1 hour. I still really like those equal highs. Is it gonna go there though? Dun dun dun. That is the question. I mean, looking promising on the 1 hour. Slow down, fast push up. Slow down, fast push up. It's just not pushing up quite as high as I would like to see it. Nearly pooped my glasses off. Underrated roaster? Damn, are you good? It's going to bounce. Look at crypto. Brandon Foxer, what's crypto doing? You can sell your kidney. There we go. Tell him. 2.5 years now. The second hint. Stop and wait for the beginning of the next month. Oh, nice. Okay, there we go. 24700. I think so. I think it's gonna want to cut. If it's gonna do it now or during New York, I still think it wants to come and take out these equal highs. I could be wrong. I just suspect. I mean, it's such a good buy-side liquidity level. It's such a good buy-side liquidity level, and unmitigated fair value gaps going on up above. Is it gonna happen now? Let's see. But I mean, check out how strong it's pushing right now. It's a decent push. Oh, I have 2 minutes left. Okay, so that's the 1 hour. Let's check 15 minutos. Also, what's up, Crazy Corgi? How you doing? Yeah. Let's see, I'm still feeling the bulls. For now. For now. I stand to be corrected. $121. Not the best doji, but doji and an engulfing. This is a better doji. Doji and engulfing. Might want to come back into this one here. Let's see if it rejects properly off of that. And let's go back to the 1 minute. Okie dokie. Let's do this thing. So we have, well, I wait for 3 AM. Ah, perfect timing. How weird. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? Yo, how's it been going, Crazy Corgi? Been a minute and a half. Hope you're doing amazing. Hope it's going fantastically. So I was caught up with the trade. Beans on toast. I haven't requested a payout yet, so I'm okay. Let's go. Well, let's see what we get first before we get too excited. Oh, this is this doji on the 5-minute that I liked. That I would like to. Well, okay, no. That being said, I should specifically say this bullish worked on the 1-minute. I have not backtested it on the higher time frames. Yeah, well, I don't even know what that is, so no. Very nice. Very nice rejection off of there. Let's see if this now continues. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. I wasn't able to pop my bob levels up on yes. That's okay. Yep, proper solid rejection off of this bob level. No, we're good. I thought I was gonna sneeze. We do also have to make sure that this is not just going sideways, but itty bit of an itty bit of an imbalance over there. Very open. Okay. There's 3M opening price. Let's see what we get. Maybe counts as a golf. I mean, it's a huge doji. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Indices are looking strong today. Yeah, let's see. Hey, yo, live news. How you doing? Hey, Nkulule, what's up? How's it going? How's the trading been? Whoop whoops. We happy? Sad? We sad like me yesterday. I was very sad yesterday. Sad became sassiness. I apologize to anyone that had to witness me yesterday. Just putting it out there again. I apologize. I'm not normally that sassy, but you know, things happen, I guess. Oh, that dumb song is now gonna be stuck in my head for the rest of the day. Did you guys hear me singing it just now? Now gonna be stuck in my head for the rest of the day. Kizo, the perfectionist. Oh, what's up? How you doing? Oh, that's annoying. Beans on toast. That's beans on toast. I don't think I've actually asked you this. Is this what you do full time? Is trading your full-time thing? Or yeah. Learning off your little bro. My account moved as my broker merged with big. What do you mean it moved? Just a little bro myself. True, so your broker only came online this morning and dare not trade it as capital K. Where did it move to? Alkies, I can't complain. I can't complain. I'm good. I'm organized this morning, which is weird, but let's now continue. Gonna wait for confirmation that this is actually headed in a direction apart from sideways. I was a little bit bummed when I saw how Asia had moved, because this is kind of what happened yesterday. Remember, Asia had a strong session. No, that being said, that's a lie. That's a lie. Yesterday it just moved. A little bit of consolidation here and there where it could have gotten some liquidity, but then it just... I lie. Damn, actually yesterday was pretty strong with regards to its movement. Well, it isn't... Let's try that again. Well, if it isn't a wild bob out of the wild, what are you doing? Anyways, moving on. Hey, Stoic. Mike, trading, what's up? Been unemployed for 4 years thanks to trading. Wow. 4 years. Okay, let me ask this question because I think this is quite a big question for a lot of people that want to do trading full-time, right? Did that pressure not get you? How much did you save up to try and not allow the emotion to get to you with regards to trading, right? Because I think a lot of people say, no, don't quit your job, because the second you rely on trading, the emotions and things start to take over. Hey, Chan. Well, I'm on my funded, but yeah, I'm on my funded account. And am I trading gold? No, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? Welcome, welcome. It was about 2 to 3 trades before you started, if I'm correct, that I could have taken. Is that what you're saying? I'm looking at yesterday's line and sell off. Like, what is she talking? It moved. Yesterday London session moved. Why being such a sassy pants? I'm sorry, London session moved. London happened. I thought it was going to consolidate and then it just started to go. Then it kind of started to go sideways. But, and then naturally I got in at the bottom. It's fine. It wasn't sideways, Solly. It was still moving. Okay. No, Bob, is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But see, this is the one you got on in, hey? Went down, went back up, went back down. Okay, messed around. Bounced off of, oh, it bounced off the midnight. Bounced off of midnight, back down, and then broke up above. Interesting. I keep forgetting how strong this midnight range is, and I never used to use it, and now I'm like, midnight, where are you? Buy or sell, what am I going to do? I did have a little bit of a bullish bias, but I'm hands off until I get confirmation. Yeah. Even trades. Yeah, no, Sally does trade. Hey, Louis. Louis is such a good... What? Maybe I don't want to know. Maybe, actually, sometimes it's best to not ask questions. Kind of come to that conclusion. When people say things that you are confused about, don't ask. Attention to this breakout. Yeah, one. I thought it would be around 800 last week. Okay. Louis, why are you sorry? Don't be sorry, you get. Sure, look at this. How does this look on the 5-minute? Whoa. If it breaks above here, if it closes above there, we should be good for a push. If it keeps failing, this might start going down again. Oh, how does this look on the 15-minute? Oh, this could be it. This could be it. This could be it. Dun dun dun. And oh, good grief. Sorry, gotta keep the new weekly opening gap going throughout the week. So let's see how it goes. Still not breaking above. Wow, okay. Oh my gosh, this is literally barcoding right now. So learn good trading habits like risk management, backtesting, sticking to your strategy, etc. And don't be greedy in the markets. Don't play with trades too much, set and forget. But beans on toast. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm gonna kind of bombard you with questions. I hope that's okay. So then, number one, that's all very valid. All very, very valid. Number one, do you swing trade or day trade? I think I've asked you this, and by the fact that you said you trade it one day and have it again, I'm assuming day trade. Okay. But, you know, don't assume things. So I'm assuming day trader, which is awesome. Then the second thing is, again, with regards to, I mean, you're South African, so that helps. So let's just use rands. How much? Yeah, how much did you have saved up to feel comfortable, or did you like not have any? Again, if you're not comfortable answering this, then just be like, nope. That's okay, I understand. I'm asking you some personal questions here. Number three, do you then have like a daily loss limit? Do you then try and focus? I'm trying to rather focus on that. Not so much my daily gain, but my daily loss. Like, you have a limit with loss, but you don't have a limit with gains, if that makes sense. But I guess at the same time, you also kind of have to have your, okay, I achieved what I wanted to achieve, to try and stop yourself over trading and giving back profits, right? Elaborate thought. Oh, Skeletor, that is amazing. I'm taking any trades for today. Maya, did you ever invest in stocks? No. Like, it sounds weird to say because I'm a day trader. I'm low-key a little bit afraid to invest. I don't know why. I can't answer that. I can kind of answer it. It's the sense of control. I like being able to watch and close, and yeah, I know investing is good. I know the logical next step would be looking into investing eventually. But right now, although let's just be real, the world right now is a little bit chaotic. Hammer, I'm trying to decide if I should ban you for a minute just for that. Just kidding, I won't ban you for that. Like I said, everyone's allowed their opinions. Everyone, you know, you have your own preferences. If everyone was the same, life would be so damn boring. I'm all for, if you're not a fan of animals, that's fine. As long as you don't harm them, I don't care. You do you. So you don't have dogs, you don't like them. I kind of want to ask why you don't like them now. It's kind of stuck in my head now. The person who stole my dictionary, I have no words. Cat, you and Skeletor are gonna have full on, yeah. Full on arguments. Well, not arguments, like a pun off. I only take one trade a day according to my strategy, and only one can I display. If I don't see my setup, then I don't trade and wait for the next day. My daily loss limit would be 1%, I guess. True. Sully, that's so mean! Bear in a foxhole. Having control and NQ shouldn't be in the same sentence. Okay, let's rephrase that. I guess I like being in control to a certain extent. Because yes, NQ be a sassy diva, but like, it's in and out. I know that there's nothing running while I'm asleep. I think that's it. I have a full Yorkie that I would probably take a bullet for. He's everything. Oh, that's amazing. So I used to, well, not I. My parents used to like breed Yorkies when I was young. Oh my gosh. Chaos, but still. But yeah, I always had Yorkies growing up. I think the bigger dog now just makes sense, especially because I'm always at the stables. Just to have the big dog that's a bit more tough and hardy for the horses works out. Can you imagine a Yorkie with horses? It's just a bit problematic. Oh, I was scared at all. What? 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 Cat? What? Huh? Cat, is this skeletal? I'm so confused. What's happening? Skeletal mask off. Yeah, no, honestly, what the heck? I have no problem with people who love dogs, but when they get out of hand and people can't look after them, I'm out. I guess that's fair. Do I hold? Do I hold? No? What? Now I'm confused. Is Skeletor and Cat the same person? Are these the same people? What's happening? What's happening? You're so lucky. I love your keys. I used to. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, do I have Shiba Inu? No, I didn't even know there was a thing, James. Does anyone hold a Shiba Inu coin? Like I said, did not know that was a thing. Oh, okay. Sean Inferno has feelings about that. Can we please go any other freaking direction apart from sideways? Seriously, you were moving so nicely during the Asia session, and now look at it. Why are you doing this? Why you do this? I was 19 when I started and only got profitable when I was 20. Wait, but I mean, 1 year to become profitable is really good. My dad supported me in the beginning, so I didn't have pressure to get into the type of thing. I'm wondering what that affected my trading. Oh, okay. Okay. So, Beans, let me understand this. Did you ever have... This sounds rude. Sorry, I hope you don't think this is like a judgy question. I'm just genuinely curious. Did you ever have a job? Like a steady income? Or did you basically just kind of go from school to trading and this has just been your life? Is this a trading channel? Is this a trading chart right now, Bob? Not really. Bob, take a trade. Take a trade, Bob. Let's see how this goes. Go on, take a trade. Send me a screenshot of you taking a trade right now. Go on, YOLO. No, I'm the one and only. Okay, cool. I used to have a chance on that. Right, interesting. I like to get jokes from anyone though. Yeah, there we go. Sonny, I feel like you need to write a book about your life because it sounds very intriguing, especially because you're still such a baby. But it sounds like you've had such a such a wild life for such a young one. I'm going to bed. Oh, sassy pants going to bed. Okay. I worked odd jobs after school, like being away to construction a bit, but I've never really had like a full-time job like how some people put it. Interesting. Hammer, can I ask who is Bob? Oh, Facey TX is Bob, actually. I bit off more than I could chew. It's going up to the next Bob level. I was thinking that as well, especially with this rejection here. I would have been keen to put a... Here we go, finally broke out of it on the 5 minute. Let's do this thing. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chilling with my homie, do. That's gonna be stuck in my head, damn. Ramen noodles for the rest of the year with this price action Robocop. Robocop. Hold this well for now. Ah, Bob, it's the essay way. But I ain't no snitch. Snitches get stitches. See, and I didn't get stitches. I'm good. I just got burned. I'm saying that like I'm proud. I'm really not, and this thing is so irritating. Oh well. Hey! Manipulation max. The freedom that comes with trading is just a blessing. True. Mwahaha. You stitched me out, bruv. Oh my goodness, we're pulling out the bruv words here. Okay. Wait, so what I meant was, who is Bob? I don't know who Bob is. I just have random Bob levels. I keep mentioning Bob. Maybe Bob is my imaginary friend that just sits in the corner here. That's who Bob is, guys. If anyone's asking, Bob is my imaginary friend. He is the voices in my head. He's invisible. He sits in the corner. He tells me a lot of things. That's who Bob is. Yells at me sometimes. Anyways, just kidding. Guys. Seeming as the price is actually going sideways today, I want to do this. I'm gonna do this because I thought this was so much fun. So we are gonna do this. I want to start doing a random fun fact of the day. So a random fun fact of the day. Well, I guess it'll be 2 a day. One during London, one during New York. But let's do a random fun fact of the day. So I have not seen this fact yet. Are we ready? So here is random fun fact of the day. A 2023 UK trial by the University of Cambridge and Boston College found that 71% of workers on a 4-day week reported less burnout than those on a 5-day schedule. I mean, 71% is insane. So what I'm hearing is we must all just start a revolution. Are we just all going to be like that? 4-day week. Let's do this. Nice. Okay, back to the charts. That was it. That's all I wanted to do. Oh, cool. I'm going to start doing this every day. And charty charts. Let's go. Oh, damn. Literally went psych. And this is why we wait for confirmations. So, hammer focus. No, there's nothing to focus on right now. Soon, maybe. Still gotta wait for confirmation. It's done this before where it fakes out and then goes back into range and then it makes me sad. Though on ES, this looks real decent. Chicken, hot dog and bologna. Macaroni. Shoot. Does this look on a 5-minute? Yeah. I'm gonna need some more confirmation that this is just not a fake out before I go and do this. I mean, a real decent doji they're still really rejecting, but still did not solidly break out. Sure, we're not even making it to that 24700 level. Oh, that was yesterday's. Let's see, so there I would have been entered in. Unfortunately, there's a bunch of things not working for this trade. So if it works out, yeah, cool. But if not, expected. You know, I agree. We also like to tradable. 50% of USA don't have passports. Really? Let's vote for a 3-day weekend. A 3-day week or 3-day weekend, Hammer? Random fun fact. Is it octopus? Or unless you said an octopus. Or is it octopi? I have 3 hearts and blue blood. I've had FTMO 100k live funded for 2.5 years now. Oh, that is amazing. Me. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. Oh, okay. That was back to Bob quote of the day. Huh. Captain, leave me alone. Just for fun. Can you give away a funded challenge account? I cannot give away a funded challenge account. Definitely not yet, at least. I think only once start getting back a little bit from maybe the affiliate codes and things would I actually be able to, but unfortunately, not yet. Demo trader? Short and further, I'm on a funded, so no. This is AI. No, it's not. AI might be doing better than me. I was at 100k live fund with my forex fund. Shoot, 2023, but they got shut down, but are coming back in a few months. I got those guys. Is that the correct terminology though, Solly? Is that it? Or isn't octopi the correct one? Excuse me, Sean? What the heck, man?
Emotional damage.
Hey Mgu, what's up? Rarig, wat die moer, hoe kom sal jy hierdie doen? Your master. Anyway. Okay, Mikuave, I'm all keen. What is it? You should unban him, yeah. He's in timeout. He may explain himself in 2 minutes. Hey, boy art, what's up? How you doing? Huh. Okay, well, now we at least have a little bit more confirmation. Worked out beautifully on ES, worked out beautifully on it. Well, I say beautifully, hasn't continued to the sell side. Let's see. That is... How did you design this? Also, is it TMT or TMT? Okay, so they would have been partials. This, focus, focus, focus. Come on, Maya, focus. This is a B setup. I don't want to start messing with B setups, especially not on my funded. I'm quite keen actually to start taking the B setups, but just obviously mitigating the risk with them. Because this would be a B setup. Let's see if it would have worked. I mean, this one would have been partial. This one would have been a partial. Okay, so at least we're slowly getting confirmation. Slowly being the keyword. How does this look? Whoopsie daisy, my bad, my bad, my bad. I got overly excited. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. This is gonna be stuck in my head. If I have this stuck in my head, y'all are gonna have to join me. It has to be stuck in all of our heads now. Bug.enter intershort. No. Love it, thanks, McWaver. What a block. Oh my god, this first. Ayo, Jody, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Like I said, this was a B setup, but pretty damn decent. I did like it. But it was a B setup. I'm trying to be strict with only taking the A+ setups. I really, really am. 1, 2... shoot. That being said, I should have technically... It's fine. It's fine. I'm just curious about the B setups. Like, is it a bad idea to potentially take B setups, mitigated risk with the B setups, right? Like say you do half risk with B setups. What do you think of the design? I think the design's awesome. I'm peachy, just fine, all is well. Ooh, that's a no-no. Bug dot, how is that an A+ short? Well, okay, no, sorry, that sounded really judgy. Maybe for you it's an A+ short. In which case, awesome. For me and my strategy, that's not A+. Sorry. Ooh, I think some of the sass is coming over from yesterday. I apologize, guys. I'm nice, I promise. Test the B setups with a test account. Whoop. Okay. Okay, would have been a loss. And then this one would have actually been partial. Yeah. Yeah, so this one would have gone, taken out partial. Yeah, and then break even. Okay. So not a full TP, which is also not boding well for this price action right now. Bob, come drop the hammer on. Yeah, Sean, are you okay? Are you okay, bud? You won't have anything to say.
Emotional damage.
Anyways, Felix, do I trade all day? Nah, not all day. I'm here for London session and New York session, but I do have like break in between. But no, don't trade all day. That being said, I'm gonna have to plan accordingly. I've decided I won't do another 24-hour stream. 24 hours is actually too much, but what I might do one day is a 12-hour stream, but it's more like in the day of. Does that make sense? So maybe start trading 9 a.m. and then end at 9 p.m. But in that time, like maybe I go for a run or go for a walk on the beach and I'll just swap over to like my phone camera or something like that. So it's not that I'm just stuck sitting at the desk the whole time. I'll still carry on like normal throughout the rest of the day. So I'm not like stuck. I thought maybe that could be nice, and then you guys can see. You guys can see, I guess. Do a 365 days stream. What just happened? David! Cooking, good look. What are you doing? Shout out to David. David, you get your little fireworks. Wait, where are they? Fire! Oh, and screaming apparently. No, nothing good there. Why are we stuck in a range? Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Okay. What indicator do I use for entry and exit confirmations? Is it Kristen? What's up? So sweet and simply, I actually use a GAN box for my entries. So with this, I'll use this as an example, right? So keeps me at a 1 to 2 hour trade regardless. I do sometimes leave runners. So with this one, I may have left a runner to maybe the midnight open, for example. It's not further down, but yeah, it's there. So with regards for entry confirmations, I need 3 or more confluences that are like protection for my stop loss. And I mean, the exit, like I said, the exit isn't so much an exit. It's just, that's my GAN box. This one in particular would have looked like so. Entry would have been there. Entry at the 50% mark, so it's market auction theory. We're to retest the 50%. So would have been this trade here. It would have been break even. So I would have entered here at the 50% level, and rejected back down. So I would have taken partials at this one level. Let me just zoom in slightly. You can see. Okay. So I would have taken partials at this one level. So you can see partials would have been taken. And my rule is when partials are taken, I move my stop loss down to break even. So you can see it would have been partials, break even. And that's fine, right? Green is green. I did not take it though, purely because of this chaos going on here. I need more confirmation that we're actually trending and not just going sideways. I can go into further detail if you want. Let me know, but hope that kind of gives you an idea. Boyart, why not make live streaming on the New York Open? I do, Boyart, I am. I'm here every day, London and New York. Oh, interesting. So what do I trade? So mine, technically, like I said, sorry, I don't know if that actually answered you, Felix, but market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Only Damien, yeah, I'm on my funded. What's up? You're in a foxhole. Well, apparently I can't say, or else I'm snitching, and snitches get stitches. What the heck did I just miss? Hey, Guava, have a look now. Oh my goodness. I reckon it's short, by the way. Let's see. Really? You think? Well, I mean, it just could not break above here. So you think this is going to continue short? Let's see. That's an amazing approach. Oh, thanks, Christian. I appreciate it. Kristen. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm butchering your name. I apologize. Felix, how long have I been trading? 11 months. Yeah, 11 months. Not even a year yet. Hi from India. What's up? Hi, back from South Africa. How you doing? Bob, are you still in this? Did you actually take a trade? I like the new video. I think. You didn't say it perfect. Yay, thank you. Have I studied MMXM? Felix, I have looked into it. I am not great at it. I am still, I want to say, figuring it out. It doesn't just click with me, so it's a little bit more difficult for me to get it, but I have been doing some research on it. Now and then you'll see I go, oh wait, maybe this is it, and I start like counting the anyways. But yeah. So I have looked into it. I'm just not great at it. Yeah, I'm being honest, you know, not all strategies make sense to everyone. That's why not one strategy works for everyone, or else everyone would always be profitable and everything would be stupid predictable. You know, some things work for others, some things don't. Like I said, it makes sense to me, but I am absolutely useless at spotting it. So it's something I have been working on. The same, I've also been working on price action, trying to be better at reading the price action, trying being the key word here. Like I said, like these wicks especially, so this I drew out on the 5 minute, the bodies just would not close above this wick, so I was like, clearly a hectic resistance level. Oh, okay, just checking. Oh, you can still lock yourself out, you lucky duck, you. Why not see any gap on 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day? Boyard, what do you mean? Looks like a downtrend for now. Hey, yo, Mr. Chaos, what's up, bud? Oh, everyone that's just hopped on, you'll miss the fun fact of the day. Ayo, Eddie, how you doing? How's it been going? Here we go. We break below because then we had a good change of character and a break of structure. Let's see if we are gonna get it though. Then I would say, yeah, maybe down is the way to go. I need to do fractals getting the high top and that, but interesting. So Felix, what time frames do you trade? Let's maybe also start with that. What time frames do you trade? What's your go-to? Hey, I'm so sorry, I missed your message. I am in South Africa. I am KZN side of SA, by the way. I did come from Pretoria. I'm actually Pretoria girl. Guys, I lost my penguin's eye. I don't know where it went. I feel so bad. His eye popped out. I was playing, I don't know, I was like doing that and his eye popped out and I feel bad because I blinded him. I feel bad. See the confidence stomach if I get a trade, I'm not sure. I saw bearish fair value gap get tapped before rally earlier and I thought of you. Hey, thank you. Oh, guys, you're thinking of me. You guys are so sweet. Anyways. Can't wait for you to take your first payout at end of the month. Bob, let's just be real. At this point, if this funded survives me right now, that'll be... I almost want to low-key say a miracle. Sure. I can't deal with me. This poor funded is having to deal with me. Go away. You use the 2-minute chart with the 2200 SMA. Interesting. I mean, you trade 1 minute out of 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour confluences. So you can look for high time frame point of interest with a lower time frame reaction. Oh, my 1 minute buddy. Welcome. Do you know how much people yell at me for using the 1 minute chart? Can't stop that. I am Belito, born and raised. Nice. To be fair, Belito is beautiful. Bugged up? What did I say? About it going down? But I mean, listen, no matter what I would have taken now, it would have taken me out, which is, for me, a confirmation that this is hands off. Until I get a trend. Trend is friend with me, definitely. Proper trend of... Well, trending in a direction with retracements or retests or whatever you want to call them. That is my go-to. I found some more recruits to bring them to the community. Ooh, Eddie, who? 1M is coming. Wow, this funded account in a month or two. David, I appreciate that you think it's going to last a month or two. JS, what's up? Welcome back. How you doing? A crisp glass is fried with a heavy smash of balsamic vinegar. I have so many questions. All you have to do is bottom check a 50-point long with 3 NQ and you're so back. Point is, I still have the consistency rules, Ollie. So it doesn't really help. We Texans don't know what a Victoria girl is. Do you mean like Victoria's Secret models? And maybe you love the 1 minute. Thank you! So it's not just me. Damn, like I said, I get yelled at for liking the 1 minute chart. How about the upside? Yep, solidly. Ooh, oh no, it's not. Ooh, though that being said, it's a bulbul. A bulbul. Sorry, there's a South African bird called a bulbul. There's a bulbul here on ES, so this could now be going up, and away. Again, though, I'm not going to take it. I do need to wait for confirmation that we're not just going to get stuck back in this range and chopped out. At 325. Oh, you're talking about this one? Mikawave? Is this the one you're talking about? Oh, no, I said Pretoria girl, sorry. goes. How many contracts do I usually buy? So Samuel, it depends on the points. Depends on the points. I always risk around $200. I have been downsizing a little bit because my confidence, like I said, had been knocked in the toilet. So just while I get the confidence back, I've been risking a little bit less, but always around $200. So it depends on how the price action is on that day. So there's never a set amount of contracts, but there's a set amount of risk. I was officially watching the stream waiting for your first payout. Could be a run for 773. Interesting. May up. So let me just wait for Mikawabe to confirm that was it. Here we go long. Let's go. Bob, how are you so good at reading price action? It rejected off of this again. Didn't go far enough down. I needed to tap back into here. Wait! No. No. Don't get FOMO. Don't do it. Don't do it. I nearly got FOMO and was like, I must just take this. But a part of me wants to take it. I'm a VWAP, got my Bob level, got my fair value gap. The order block's not at an ideal position though. And with that resistance level up there, it's not great, and it is stuck in a range. So Mikawabe, the reason I didn't take it was because it was stuck in range. As you can see here, this range, it could have very easily been a fake out and then gone straight back up. That's about it. That's why. I even said it was a good trade. Didn't take it. It's the same reason why I'm not taking this, because it's stuck in this range. It could so easily go and do a fake out situation right now. I mean, this could have been the fake out and then it just drops. I need for it to stop being in this rangy rubbish. Hey, got 8 more days and you can help me set up my account. Bet, David. Bet. We're gonna do this. I'm excited. I just started my strategy fib. Oh, nice, eh? Mikuwabe still thinks it's short. Back into 3 AM open. What time are we looking at? 3:48. Got like 10 minutes till 4. So Mikuwabe, this trade would have been a partial break-even trade, by the way. Not a bad thing. Just saying. Oh wait, actually this goes. They need to follow that up. Okay, that would have been that trade. So it would have wicked in. This resistance level is insanity right now. Push through it. It's a triangular flag pattern in process. Wait for it and see where the trend goes. That's the thing. That's why I'm hands off. Like I said, I did like this trade. I did like it, but this is not ideal. It is back in this range. It could do some really dumb things right now. Trading on mobile gonna suck. Do you not have a computer or a laptop or something? Oh, okay, I'll zoom in now. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in because obviously this doesn't matter because I didn't take it. So, Mikuwabe. Yeah. So, sorry, there's a lot of chaos going on. Let's make this a little less chaotic so you can see. This essentially would have been the trade, right? Yeah. Here's the setup. So here would have come in, awesome. Gone down here, so I don't know if you remember or know, but I always set a partial at the 1 level. I always have a partial, 1 or 2 contracts at the one level. So it would have taken out the partial at this one level. And my rule is when it takes the partial, I then move my stop loss to break even. So it would have gone, taken partial and taken me back out at break even. So that's why I say it's a partial break even. It wasn't a win. This one would have been a win. Two minutes till 4. Oh, it worked beautifully, chick. ES, the bulbul was awesome. Maybe I should have trusted it more, but it's okay. Like I said, it's a valid reason for not taking it because let's not do dumb things on the fun, dude. Oh my gosh, Shelly, go to sleep. What is wrong with you? Why are you still awake? Go to bed. Good grief, man. Okay. We're on profit, next impulse, please. Let's see. Bob, level to level. Hey, Rish, no, I didn't take it. Maybe I should have, but it is what it is. It's still failing to break out of this resistance level. Look at this. How's this look on the 5 minute? I mean, I guess the body closed inside it now. That's a little bit better than it was doing. But I mean, still on the 5 minute, this looks atrocious. How's this look on the 15 minute? Cool. Cool. And again, this is why I say check. This so easily could have not respected and just done this. Oh well. No, David, I'm not upset about not taking this trade. Not even a little bit. Like I said, there was proper sound rationale for not taking it. This is a very range base that you so easily could have wicked me out before doing anything. First TP target a partial. That's your full TP and anything after that is a runner. So in my eyes, that full TP. But it wasn't full TP. For me, full TP is the 1 to 2R. That was not 1 to 2R. That's why I call it a partial. It's kind of like a... Yeah. Also would have been a loss, technically. Like, maybe I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying. When I blink, the blue flashes. I'm out. Cheers, Solly. Go to bed. The highs at 773. Let's see. Ah, Flowmatic beats. That's so sweet. Good soup. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now that's an idea. Should I have it? Good soup meme. Oh. Anyways. Oh, Beta, what's up? Where am I trading from in the world? I am South African, born and raised. What's up? How are we doing? How's it going today? Hope everyone's doing amazing. I'm upset that most of you now didn't see the fun fact of the day. You're just gonna have to come back for New York session to see the fun fact of the day. Just saying. Though it will be a new fun fact. So technically there's 2 fun facts of the day. Every day. Just 1 per session. Sunday I'm gonna start because I think it'll be fun. And you learn something. Random and fun about everything. Anyways, back to the chart. Back to the charts. I'm normal. Beep, 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 boop, 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 boop. Hey, Stefan, what's up? Fun fact, you can get community if Koala urinates on you. That doesn't sound right. You're in South Africa, you're trading New York session. I'm in Ecuador right now. It's 3:55. Yeah, while you were awake. But yes, I am trading New York session. I trade both London and New York session every single day. Whoop whoop. I don't know if that makes me crazy or not, but here we are. Damn, this is insanity. This resistance zone, block, whatever you want to call it. Look at how it's just been respecting the heck out of it. Maybe this is where it starts dropping. Okay. Ooh. Respected nicely. If I was trading ES, I would have traded ES today. Respected the volume imbalance. Oh, sorry, you can't see. There we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Respected this volume imbalance on ES like a boss. Did not respect this one like a boss though. Okay, so it's respecting the bearish ones today. So bears are then in play. I think. At this point, I don't know. If both of them aren't played. There's some Game of Thrones fights happening right now. 5-minute order block and rejected pretty good off of it. Hey, Mr. Chaos. Yeah, you should love this. This is chaotic price action. Literally. It's more like what in the price action is going on right now. Which time frame? This is the 1 minute currently. Zoom out a little. What do you mean further? Like a so? Or do you mean higher time frame? I can check the 5 minute. We check the 5 minute. 5 minute looks like so. Wait a second. This is the one I had set up before I left, and then I was like, no, let me not take it. No. Oh my gosh. When did this trade happen? When did I close? Huh. This would have been a winner. Huh, I didn't even realize that earlier. Sorry. Sorry. The ADHD kicked in. I don't know what HD is, but I got 80 of them. Emmanuel, what's up? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? Welcome. Nice. Try trade these tight ranges. Just in either direction could be nice. Yeah. Especially Felix, if we could start getting a trend, like this is not trending. My strategy works really good with proper trend with solid retracements back into, you know, imbalances. Market auction, right? Guess I'll come back to the 5 minute order block. I have to be up from 1 to 4 AM to trade London. I mean, I'm just learning, but from what I've learned, it's developing a schedule to trade a crucial. Lomatic, that's interesting. Okay, so you just started to learn. How long have you been learning for? You can learn from me. Please don't think I am amazing yet, though. I've only been trading for 11 months. But I am funded, which is cool, which is awesome. I have not taken a payout yet, though. I go through ups and downs. I mean, if you want the real... Oh, it's full. Sorry, my alarm went off. If you want the real honest, this is how trading journey actually looks, this is the place to be. Like, every single trade I take is live. You can see hesitations. You can see me wanting to cry. You can see me wanting to lose it. You can see me being extra happy. You can see the emotions taking over sometimes. You can see me being too emotionless sometimes. Don't know if that's really a thing, but anyways. Either way, this is very much the raw, honest truth of what a trading journey really looks like. Annual price action be like, have you been profitable so far? Ghosty article. Like I said, I'm funded. I'm in drawdown on my funded, but I am funded. So, take what you will from that. How about, okay, let's look at it this way. This account that I've had for basically 6 months. So I haven't blown this account. I took a while to pass it. But I have now passed it, but I have not yet blown. I've got close to blowing it and then picked myself back up, so yeah. I don't want to say profitable, but I don't want to say not. It's a bit of a in-betweeny situation. Hey Mark, what's up? I assume there'll be a moment for the trend. Let's see. You can see you're waiting too long for confirmation. No, what? Right, I waited just now. And you've been trading for 3 to 4 months. Oh, nice. Okay, so Flowmatic, do you have a strategy that you like? That's the first most important part, right? Well, not the most important, but you know, key is to have see. Yeah. The most important part, English, is actually the psychology. That's the raw hard truth of it, is the psychology behind trading is the most important part. Finding a strategy that works for you, obviously, is next. See, JH, now I'm gonna have to go and Google that. So, literally, guys, I must maybe one day, except everyone will be like, what the heck? I literally have a list. Some of you saw it on Discord the one day. I literally have a list. When people mention things that I'm not 100% sure about, I copy paste it onto this damn notebook. Guest list, notebook, whatever you want to call it, to go back and research later, like the morning and evening star patterns after a doji candle. I had never heard of that before. Never, ever, ever. But I copy pasted it, and now I know to go and look it up when I spend time backtesting and doing my research. What's up, Alex? How you doing? You saw the 343 candle. 343. No, 343. You have the correct time here. Oh wait, here's the volume imbalance. Oh, I need to mark out 4. Oh, here's a little bit of a volume imbalance. A tiny one, but still a volume imbalance. Okay, 4 AM open. Like so, it's gonna come. Well, it should. Wrong thing. High probability states it's gonna come take out the lows. Probability is not 100% accurate though, obviously. Also wouldn't be probability. This should theoretically come and take out the lows then. Let's see. What's my A+ setup and B setup? So APA, what's up? 342. Oh, no wick down here. This volume imbalance, yeah? This doji volume imbalance, and then this engulfing with no wick at the bottom. Yeah? That one, Felix? So A plus setup, 3 or more confluences. B setup would have like 2 confluences. So confluence for me is a fair value gap, a volume imbalance, VWAP. I feel like I'm missing a bunch of things. Order block. My shelves, there we go. I call them shelves. A lot of people have a different name for it, but I call them shelves. I feel like I'm missing something else. I do sometimes use Bob level as well, which is basically volume profile. You're trading through this range? Absolutely not. Wealth building empire, are you? I'm not sure. Let's give it some coffee to wake up. Alex, literally. Literally. And everyone's like, why are you waiting? I'm like, I'm waiting for this to be over. I trade on consecutives. Been learning from a guy called I do a top-down analysis after I set up in the W. That's where I'm at so far. Damn, okay. Diplomatic, it sounds like you know more than me right now. Mine is very simple and basic. And it works for me. Because I am simple and basic. I did this to myself.
Emotional damage.
Anyways, moving on. Patience, patience, you'll be profitable and long. Sad days. Wait for the market to come to you. Just say, oh, Samuel, I love that. Wait for the market to come to you. I love that a lot. I mean, this flag and where the flag ends will be a point for the new trend. Supply zone. P, are you asking if I use liquidity sweeps? So I feel like, oh, I don't know. I definitely will subscribe and check out more content. Aww. Cheers, cheers, Flomatic. Thank you. Thanks for hopping on. You are awesome sauce. Oh, by the way, for anyone that is new, there is a Discord channel. There is a Discord channel for anyone that is new. More than welcome to join. The point of the Discord is for a community. To be fair, it's the point of all of this. A community that wants to help people grow and succeed, because this is not easy. Let's just be real. Trading is not easy, and I have seen a lot of people that are just, they don't want to help each other. They actually prefer to see others fail, and I think that's really, really sad. So I want there to be a community where we help build each other up. If someone is struggling, we are there to help, because believe it or not, we all know that feeling. Others more than most. You know, be there to celebrate the wins and support through the losses. So that's the point of it. So yeah, if you guys want to join the Discord, is in the description below. Please just be aware that there are scammers out there. Please, please, please. Like, honestly, they're also really, really dumb. So just be aware. If you are not sure if it's a scammer or not, ask for a one-on-one voice call on Discord. Okay. I will so happily hop on a one-on-one voice call and be like, yo, it's me. Okay. That's number one, if you're not sure. Number two, I'm very informal. If you say hi, I'm like, yo, what's up? I'm not going to send like a copy-pasted mechanical thing. Okay. Number three, I will never, ever, ever give you my phone number. Okay. If any of those happen, you know it's not me. Not so much. I need to be better with the liquidity sweeps, but not so much the liquidity sweeps. I watch out for them. Hear me out. So I watch out, especially the main liquidity sweeps. So if I was keen on an entry and then I see it swept some major liquidity, like sell side or buy side liquidity, I'll then rather cancel it, because it's not a confirmation for me. It's a, oh damn, this could now retest further back than I wanted to. If that makes sense. Why does Maya spend so much time trading when she could easily have a career as a bicep model? Number one, Merbanana, is that a thing? thing? Wait. Was a bicep model a thing? That doesn't sound real. I have so many questions right now. A bicep model? What? Did I just read? Oh my gosh, okay, back to here we go. And lost 200. No, QB 10k account I passed on Monday. QB, that's amazing, well done. But okay, you made $300 yesterday and lost 200 Ooh. QV, do you do... What do you do? Are you a scalper? What's your go-to? Let's ask that. Can you do a one-on-one in Spanish? No. What's no in Spanish? I know what yes is, sí, but I have no idea what no is in Spanish. Hey, Koa, what's up? David, there's more than one. That's the thing. There's so many more than one. I know that I think there's like 3 that I know of. There's 3 scammers out there. Mr. Chaos, what's weird? Which part is weird? All of it? No. All of it? Can we please pick a different direction apart from sideways? Please, 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 please. Move. Ooh, this now does not have any bottom wick, so this is gonna want to come back down. I'm still pretty keen on going down. Let's see. It's gonna reject off one more time, go and take out this liquidity, potentially. This is legitimately going sideways right now. I think I'm gonna scalp the high to the down. Mr. K... Twinsies, that is what I was just thinking. It's gonna take this and come back down, take this low. Noah's. Oh, Mr. Chaos, the bicep thing? That's weird, yeah. Can you imagine though? It would be fine. I guess you can't be awkward with your biceps. I'm so awkward, guys. When it comes to like photos or anything, I'm so awkward. People are like, act natural. I'm like, am I natural? I've gone through the Discord. There was only one thing. Oh, interesting. I'm not a scalper. I use a form of ICT and order flow with break structure. But you're not a scalper? Are you a swing trader, investor? What's your thing then, QB? But no, it sounds like you're a scalper then. Okay, wait, elaborate. I'm confused, QB. I need an explanation. J-ish shorted. I sits and I waits for confirmation. What's it look like? Okay, SMT officially created. Finally broke above. Oh, the rubbish is here. The rubbishman? The rubbish truck? Garbage truck, whatever you want to call it is here. Okay, SMT created. About to break. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, I love it when this happens. Love / hate it. So, Jayesh says shorted. Samuel, you think this is now bullish? Well, it's finally broken. Here we go. Finally broken above. Okay, now we just make sure this doesn't come streaming back down. Okay. Yogi dogi. Chicken wing, chicken wing. That's gonna be stuck in my head and it's gonna drive me crazy. Mahusive wick going on over there, okay. Let's see, liquidity sweep on ES now happened. Yeah. Okay, solid liquidity sweep on ES now just happened. A lot of buy side liquidity has been taken. The markets taketh and they giveth away. That's not right. That's not it. Where'd everyone go? Why is everyone being so quiet? You all okay? Damn. Is everyone now focused because there's actually some movement? Not gonna scalp. Yeah. Hey, yo, Vishal, what's up? How you doing? More on buy now. To be fair, I did start my day with a bullish bias. Freaking Bob to Bob level. Seriously. Sorry, hiccups. Good day. Check your average true range. Is that an indicator? The South Korean market dump isn't really affecting markets so far. Surprise, surprise. Huh. It's an indicator. ATR average true range. What does that tend to show, Samuel? So it's the first time someone's actually mentioned. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. The first time someone's actually mentioned it to me, so I'm curious. Chicken wing, chicken, damn it. This is gonna drive me crazy. Hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni. ATR level is one that many pro traders use. It's an I know, but like, it's similar to VWAP. Is it like a similar concept to VWAP? It kind of sounds like it, but is that the idea behind it, that price respects it or wants to be attracted to it or ejects off of it rather? Sorry, I just said a lot of words really quickly there. Problem is, if it comes this far back down into this range, this could just keep looping right on down. Also, Angry Bubble, what's up? How are you doing? Okay. Well, at least we have a proper breakout of this range. That's something. Let's look at the bright side. Wait, let me. Let's get comfy. Sometimes longer time frames are more respected. Even the 1 minute works, but it's not wonderful all the time. 30 minutes and above first attempt isn't more accurate. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to look into it. I did already copy paste it. Don't worry. It's in my notepad. There's so many things in that damn notepad. Gonna be studying until I'm dead. Oh, cheers, Mr. Chaos. Enjoy. Mad love, thank you for hopping on. Don't forget to press that little heart button. I'm being extra weird today. I'm so sorry, guys. Well, I'm low-key sorry. Part of me thinks that you guys think this is way too much fun when I am chaotic. Oh, especially Mr. Chaos. Okay. What difference volume in trade? Hey, Diva Games, sorry, let me just... Are you asking what the volume is right now? Sorry, just trying to understand. I respect you trying to type to me in English. I know it's not exactly easy. if English is not your first language. If it is, I'm gonna judge you, but if it's not, respect. It helps in a sense. It's the intensity of the move. Think of a spike. Okay. That's true. Hey, Heinrich, what's up? See, now I don't like where the stop loss is placed for this one. I'd like to see it go back up. Like Mr. Chaos said, actually the Asia high looks like a juicy little magnet right now. There's marked out there. There must be equal highs there. No. Oh, it's the middle of this freaking new weekly opening gap. Yep. About to tap in, so ooh, okay, so it did just take out more buy side liquidity up there. More buy side liquidity, about to tap into a bit of a fair value gap a little bit higher up. Do you think this is gonna retest slightly? Possibly. Okay, let's see how it starts reacting here. Like I said, it did take some liquidity. You zoom out and scroll a little bit to the left. Hey, Mike, the goat. I'm good. How are you doing, Heinrich? It's Mike the goat. Oh, come on. Come on, price action. Let's do this. I'm really hoping we can get a decent A+ setup that forms. If not, it's not the end of the world. I just have to keep reminding myself of that.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
It's my thing, David. It's my thing. I wonder where Mudcrab's gone. Haven't seen him the whole week. Hope he's okay. Avoid large trades in this market. Hey, JP Perth, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Yeah. This is a little bit. I'm just actually going to check it out. Is there news today? Is there news today? I wonder if there's any news or something, and that's why we're kind of doing this. Do you think it's waiting for New York session? Like I said, it did just take out a bunch of buy. Ooh, wait. Is this bear flagging? I'm bull flagging. Good grief. My English cool. Nailed it. So last Friday, I couldn't close my micro oil future position at 50 of them. I was up. Oh my gosh, Pierre, what the heck? Oh my gosh. That is, lucky it went in the correct direction. What the heck? Whoop whoop though. Awesome. You said the hope word. No, hope is fine if it's with regards to human beings. If you say hope when it comes to the charts, different story. You got lucky. Yeah. Literally. Sometimes the charts love us. Sometimes, not always though. Let's just be real. Sometimes it's more fun for them to be like, how can we make this life so much more difficult? And going sideways again. Nope, that's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Seriously. For 2 days, I was freaking out. I was about to say, actually, that kind of sucks. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Why couldn't you close? What happened? Every time you say hope in any sense. Also, ATR will help to identify volatility entering the market. What about why don't you just wait, let me. I was in Canada, lost internet. Oh my gosh, that sucks. Hey, man, Faisy, what's up? I do day trade. How you doing? How goes it? How goes it? Hope you're doing amazing. This price sucks. So, Ollie, do you think this is still gonna go down? I mean, it could. Just had to reject off of the bob level first. Bobbed Bob. Bobbert. I think Bob's asleep, so he's not hearing me being extra weird, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. Y'all don't always have to hear me see me, both being extra weird. Come on, charts, we still have time. We still have time. We can do this. We can do this. Band, yeah, are you a day trader? What's your thing, Band? Dash, it will come down. JH, to what point? Do you think this is just manipulation to the buy side? Good luck, have a great day trading. So much fun. Cheers, Pierre. You're gonna go chill. What time is it in Canada right now? FIB is way too open. So mark that 1 minute swing low at 6. I have so many questions. So many questions. I do not see what you are seeing right now. Let's put it that way. Yeah, 4 AM. Oh, good grief. Okay. 24670. Ah, okay. So back into range, basically. Like I said, this is potentially what I would be keen on. It's just, is it gonna continue to the bull side or not? It's got this a huge range. The value gap. What's it like on the 5 minute? I mean, it. Sugar honey iced tea, it's pretty solid. It's not the worst trade I've seen. Just if it comes crashing down. Oh. I want to get into this. I just gamble. What? Just gamble. That's bad. Peace. Isn't gold down or up? I have no idea. Who's trading gold right now? How's gold looking? How's gold cooking? Look at this called, we're in profit. I saw, Dom. I did actually see. I saw the trade you posted. It looks awesome. Gambling is fun. Discipline. It's what I struggle with sometimes. For me, it's not so much discipline in waiting for the trade. As you can see, it's discipline in taking the trade when it presents itself. Yeah. There I'm a bit of a silly goose. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go for this. Nope, apparently not. Apparently this might just be running away now. Without me. Oh, oh so sad. Oh, so sad. You close when it touches, but it's already touched Bob level. Dumb? I'm confused. It's already tapped into Bob level. Check. Tapped here. Do you mean the top of Bob level? I'm very confused now. But we continue. Okay, you wait for it to close at the top. That's interesting. My trade would have been to here. That's very, very interesting. Let's see. The trend is bullish. It will be around 24670 and go up again. So yeah, this is pretty solid. Well, if it respects it. Is it A+? Yes. I have 3. Okay. Let's see if it comes down to get me or not. So I'm trying to stop overthinking so much. It's an A+ setup. Yes, awesome. Trend is friend. It broke above. Cool. Yes, we're faltering a little bit, but let's see if we get something. Just close my Bitcoin position. Oh, why? Why? What is Bitcoin doing, by the way? I don't really look at Bitcoin because I'm not a Bitcoin trader, but yeah. How does it look? We got this open, so that's something. Like I said, rejected. The only problem is this could come and get me. Not the best order block, but like I said, the 5-minute and 15-minute, this really looks good. Especially with that fair value gap. It's really, really decent. Hiya. I don't know where my dog is. Give me 2 seconds. Can you guys watch this for me? Just watch carefully. Oh, watch me go, and then it does something chaotic. Okay, watch it for me. Yell if I'm not here. Okay, Perry's fine. I don't know, he was sleeping upstairs. Anyways. Bitcoin today finally came up towards the zone that gold and silver gained and lost yesterday. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What the? How you doing? How you doing? Might run away without me. Let's see. This would be a really good entry for a push up to Asia high. Did you get it? No? Okay, he tried to get the fly. No! You little bugger. Okay, now we followed. Okay, that's just running away. Yep, that's just running away now. This is the time when we tell the market makers to move the market. Yeah, can we get... This is a lot of price and no action going on right now. This is a lot of price and no action. I'm on the 1 minute because I'm not that patient. So if we could start getting some movement, that would be just grand. Absolutely grand. Two. Don't like where the stop loss is at. I like where the entry is. Not a fan of the stop loss. Let's see how it looks on the 5 minute. I mean, on the 5 minute, it's a little bit better. Ooh, that was a very big drop real quick. I mean, at 15 there's a bit of a... Okay, let's see. P2, what's up? Download Discord. I got both. Look, I have this one still set up. Bruh. Gonna miss me by a tick. That would have been rude. I still have this one here. Are you talking about like this? Or Mikuave, you talking about this? Because this is the entry then. For the bigger range. Mikuave? Is that what you're talking about? Just making sure I understand. This one. Yeah. Insect expired? What's expired? Oh, no. I hear what you're saying. Sometimes it just doesn't come back until oh so much later on. But you're not wrong. This one still technically is better. I just hate that it's in the middle of a damn bob level. You're expired. What does that even mean? Guys, apparently I'm expired. I don't know what that means, but I'm expired. Apparently I'm milk. I don't mean to be that person, but I am too tanned to be milky. Okay. What did you want me to say to that? Oh no.
Emotional damage.
Okay, moving on. Okie dokie. Here we go. No one is excited. Oh gosh. Damn. Tapped into that order block. Now sellers are coming back into play. Mike the code. Yeah. Let's do nothing now. These are not promising, but it did mean that the sellers wanted to come into play, but the buyers wouldn't let them come into play. Brah. them to keep coming. Come on. Insect. I'm gonna call you Insect. Anything else? Get fired, expired, expelled. Maybe. No idea. No idea. Maybe. I'm off milk. I am sour milk. There we go. I don't like that jump. Let's see if this works out. Why could we not have a nice day like we had yesterday? Yes, I was an idiot yesterday, but still. Still. Jerome, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? What the heck, man? Whoa. Okay. Hey, Sam, what's up? Lloyd. We got a Lloyd! Lloyd! Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for Lloyd. Lloyd, what's up? I've gotten an a.a. I've been waiting. Oh, this would have worked out. I mean, but it would have worked. Interesting. Okay, and on to the next, right? Oh, I've been waiting for Lloyd. Now I'm so happy. Oh, Daymade. If war continues, oil can spike. The volatility will come out of the closet. Next impulse to zone 1-1, my profit. Nice! Yeah, it just doesn't respect this one as much as the other one, but this one went down that level. This one's now continuing back up. There's such an insane range if it does go there. Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, got bitty on the brain. Bulls are not respecting there. Ooh. Okay. Try not to rush, set it, and then go get confirmation. Did just tap into that bob level. Let's see how it reacts here. If I have this. I do need to double check the higher time frames though. What does it look like on the 5 minute? It respected that, so that's being respected. That's still decent. It's still not breaking nicely above though with regards to the wick, but it's still moving up, up and away. Like I said, rejected off of that bob level. I want to see it go slowly down. Slowly down. Cool. Not as nice as the previous one. Heyo, Lukey, Bulls. Bulls for the win. Oh, this could get back stuck in the range. I'm trying not to overthink it. 1, 2, 3. The top of that range. Oh, this is not as nice as the other one. Diego, what's up? 2022 is a good one, yeah. I like that doji, but this doji is not bad. Dojis have been respected pretty decently into this fair value gap, into an inverse fair value gap. Diego, you got Discord? 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 What the heck? I'm not a fan of these imbalances going on here. See if it retraces. I like that it respected there nicely. It's been respecting the fair value gaps pretty decently. Just tapped into the top there. Oh. Am I from the US? No, I'm South African. What's up? I need another coffee. It's too damn early. I hear you. Is it bad that I don't have the best feeling about this trade? Lloyd, anything else that I should study for trading from ICT? Okay, let's ask a bit of a difficult question. Can I send? Yeah, of course you can. Or you can send me a personal message if you want. Whatever. Lloyd, I think the question is, do you want to be specifically or like exclusively an ICT trader? Or do you want to just use some concepts from him? What's the plan? And it's a bit of a weird question, but like, yeah, what's the plan? Good push up there, just didn't. Seriously? Missed me? Okay, by a few ticks. It makes me feel a little bit better. So I like it with this close and missed me. Okay, but missed me by a few ticks there. That's fun for me. Correct idea? I set the trade. It just didn't come to get me. They left without me. They do this every year. If you do not know where that comes from, we cannot be friends. Ooh, doji engulfing, doji engulfing, doji engulfing, doji engulfing, doji engulfing. Why am I following doji engulfing? Let's go. Doji engulfing. This is what I like to see. Stop that. I'm trying not to be too rushed with this, but in the same breath, this is what I've been watching for. 3 work quite well, and 4 but make it 8. No, you're just running away. Stop it. Stop that. Okay, that moves to the side. That can move to the side. Okay, trying not to rush. Oh, it's about to go back into the new weekly opening gap. Shoot. Okay. Diego, no ways! Guys, it didn't tag me in. Hey, Elf. Hey, Elf. Long time no see. Okay, back into new weekly opening gap. Rarig, wat die moet. Hoekom sal jy hierdie doen? Jou bliksem. Okay. Okay, Bob level's still pretty soliding. 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 Oh, English. Love it. Okay. Correct idea, just didn't come and get me. It's okay, I guess. Nice to know I had the correct idea. I set the trade. It is what it is. Is your high? Tell us what your win rate is and what the difference is between losses and wins. What's up, Elf? Shout out to Elf for the dono, mad love. I'm not even gonna lie, Elf, my win rate used to be like 64%. Maybe it's the funded. Maybe I'm getting like the, what do people call it? Paper cuts or something? Maybe the funded did get to me a little bit. I don't even know, but it's now gone down to like 54%, which is not good. I need to get my stuff together. Did you see why you didn't get tagged in? No. Why? Wait. Was it rejecting off of this volume imbalance here? Well, I guess it rejected into that. No, elaborate for me, Pillow, if you don't mind. Sorry, that sounds very like aggressive, but please. But I love South African accent. I thought I wasn't hearing right. We need subtitles. Oh, what? Me speaking Afrikaans? Sorry. No problem. When I was trading intraday, my win rate was 10 to 20%. Interesting. But, okay, I'm waiting for the but. You are too textbook focused. You could have placed 50% on top of the fair value. Huh? Sorry, I need a huh? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, let me do this and then wait for confirmations. Too textbook focus. I haven't heard that before. What does that mean? Sorry, maybe that's like a dumb question. I do have dumb questions sometimes, but yeah. Let's respect that. Let me quickly check the higher time frame. Sorry guys, I know I'm ignoring you. Well, not ignoring. Ignoring is a strong word. Really nice 50% of this fair value gap, but that's okay. We go into the new weekly opening gap. 1, 2. Sharp there. 3. Asia highs over there. Has not taken this out yet on the 15 minutes, so we're in the wick, but has not taken it out. How does it look here on ES? For this, oh, actually, curiosity is getting the best. Oh, rude. Anyways, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay. No, oh, wow, you're so mean. Can you move your stop losses when your order has already been filled? Yes, you can. You can. What, like make them bigger or smaller? Is that what you're asking? Okay. Putting us in pause mode. Sorry, pause mode. You're welcome. I think I'm very confused about what's happening right now, but that's okay. Oh, okay, a bit of a volume imbalance over there. No, come on, Doji, do your Doji thing. Oh, I might have entered too early with this one now. Shoot. Reject, 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 reject more, reject more. Thank you. Oh, what you're trying to say is that the win rate is irrelevant. That's true. It is important how much profit is it in relation to the loss. Trailer Nice, what's up? Well, I'm in this. That's not great there. Was that tag in there? Come on. It's gonna take me out. Oh my gosh. Oh, finger in that. Stop it. Leloid. David believes a guilt trip's the... Yeah, he believes it's a guilt trip. To be determined. I swear it's not helping anymore. Dom, I'll look at Discord now. Oh, come on, reject off of. I'm sorry, wait, what did I just read there? Got a weird rash, throw away the... and just rub a thick layer of chunky peanut butter topped with crushed up Cool Ranch Doritos. What? TP at 816. Why 8? Whoopsies. Why 816? Yes, I just don't use them when filling in order. I stop it myself for now. Rebuy the next positive trade. To be fair, I'm not even really looking right now. Fibonacci rules, and then I just move stop loss according to the chart. Interesting. Not a lot of people do that. Yeah, not tons of people do that. Oh, I moved this down. I was so confused for a second. I was like, what did I just do? I did that. Sorry, just so that people can see that. Aha! Bull bull. Okay, we've got bull bull. Yeah. Hey, Elf, you know what? Respect. I'm going for TP2 already. Whoop whoop, Diego, that's amazing. Well done. Break above, break above, break above, break above, break above. Andy, I know you're just trolling. Part of me low-key wants someone to try this out now. Just for funsies. That's the same as who put... Oh, I'm never gonna forget this because it blew my brain. Who put Pepsi in their Coke? No, put Pepsi in their coffee the other day because they were out of sugar. No one respected. Yeah, there's my bull bull. Respected. Go back up now. Mm-hmm. At 7-6. I'm... Give me the crown. What? Mikurabe, I agree with you. I agree with you. Sprite on Coca-Cola sounds amazing. That no, don't do that. Please don't do that. Please, this is not. That bowl was too big. I might want to retrace the candle back down. Ooh, Elf, what's wrong with you? Elf, why are you saying that? Like every time I look, it does something else. So I'm just gonna keep focusing on you guys and whatever the heck you're busy saying right now. What? Diet Coke poured over ice and freshly diced raw yellow onions. The carbonated crunch is everything. What? What did I just read? Why did I just read that? Diego, whoop whoop! It seems now you can put stop loss at break even. No, not yet. SMT created on ES. Shoot. Rejection off of there. Come on, break above. Oh, it's respecting this damn volume imbalance. SMT created on ES. Keep going. Andy, write a cookbook. I'll be your first purchase. Do it. Turtle on Ice, what's up? Come on. Break above. You've got this. As I said that. It went. No, I don't. Mikwabe, I'm still learning it myself. I have a stop loss at 1k profit just to be safe. I mean, that's good. I don't trust myself. I will not trust the random candles. That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. When two correlated pairs, one sweeps a low while the other didn't, vice versa, also works with PD arrays. Lloyd, how long have I been trading? 11 months now. Yeah. Those twin peaks might bring you down. Like I said, the SMT on ES is not ideal. Keep pushing, come on. Basically, know which way to put the stops and hunt those. Mostly there's low risk. I would say. So not SMC, we are the change. We're talking about SMT currently. There's a double top on ES. Might be a double top. Hey, some guy, what's up? How you doing? Happy Wednesday. How you doing? If you focus hard enough, you can see a glint in your eyes. Are they the tears? The tears, my enemies. No, I'm kidding. Sometimes they be good. Sometimes. Diego, that is amazing because it's so accurate. That's so accurate. Oh, sugar honey iced tea.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Have to make my routine for trading. Oh, cheers, Elf. Enjoy. Have a goodie. Respected like a boss on ES. Why couldn't you have done that boss stuff on NQ? Come on. Be a boss. Let's go. Yes, we 10 AM low and Enki didn't. That's an SMG. Okay, so OTT, I understand that, right? Ugh. Anyways, I understand that. But I now got distracted by this. What does it always mean? Nation with them South African powers. Good grief. You don't look chart gets to get. Basically follow SMT like managing RS I know, I'm not even watching right now. I'm waiting for a beep. Whatever the beep is. Well, not all SMTs mean anything, especially on the 1 minute chart, but what it means, one pair is stronger than the other. Okay, but is that all it means? Because so many people say SMTs are so important, so I've been taking note of them, but why? That meant to say summon Geordie. I want to see if you can go 2 for 2. I think Geordie's at work, but I'll try. Geordie! Geordie! I need you to come here. Come, Geordie. Let's go. Let's go. We got some chaos going on. We need some Geordie powers. We go to Asia High. Let's see. SMT can be good for getting out early, taking trades. I mean, is it? What the? What the? No! You little son of a gun, you! What just happened? What time is it? Why did it just freak out? To be fair, using full range would have been the way to go. It would have been less stressful. But anyways. Cool. Cool. I can feel... okay. That was fun. I mean, rude that it then came to take me out at break even, but still? Cool. Your bob to bob in like 2 seconds flat. What the heck? What the heck was that? The dial-up sound needs to have "you got mail" at the end. Mikuave, it took me out of break even, so it didn't hit my... I left a runner till Asia High, but it took me out of break even and then went to my runner. But technically it was full TP. How do I put this? I don't know how it didn't take me out. This was the trade. It missed my stop loss by a tick. We are the change. I do zoom out. Why do you think I checked the 5 minute and the 15 minute before I place this trade? Holy guacamole. That, I mean, unluck's about taking out. Well, I can't speak English anymore. Unluck's about being taken out break even, but still. Okay, well, at least we're going slowly back up.
Okay, let's go.
Mango, very good question. I'm actually not 100% sure why this is now just bluxing off without us. They took out New York high, so previous day high, theoretically. Now we're in the middle. Okay, cool. Diego, okay, sorry, I can focus back on the charts now. I can focus, I can get the focus back. Just, wow. Diego, this is for you. Well done. Super proud. That is amazing. Was there news? Or something? As long as that wasn't news driven, it should stall out here a bit. Also, I don't get too used to de-risking till you just get to 50k again. No, that's true. Thanks, OTT. No, you are correct. It's just, I agree, actually, that's a good idea. When it gets back to 50k, can up the risk again. I like that. Okay, thanks, OTT. Wow. That was terrifying. That played with my emotions like 1,000 times over, 25 times a day. So I'm quickly just doing my journal. Okay. Okay, it's something. It's better than nothing. Okie dokie, let me quickly see here. Spoiler. This is so cool. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, someone messaged me on Discord.
Oh, you, what's up?
Okie dokie then. I'm still a little bit shook up. I think I need to just take a few minutes before I start looking for another trade. I've learned my lesson in doing that before. Don't now go and rush in and do things. What the heck, man? Angel liquidity sweep had you. What do you mean? I gotta win. Going back to watching Vampire Diaries. OTT, you are so cute. You know that. It was news driven. Oh, thank you! But you can start risking normal, then if losses start happening, you get down again, just then boom, you won't make much progress. Any more news? Oh, what's the news, OTT? Are you Andy, what? Which instrument? Hi, what's up? So I'm trading Nasdaq futures, micros to be specific. I am using TradingView. I'm on my funded account with Top One Futures. I think that's everything. I think that's everything. That was very... That was something else. That was something else. I was not expecting that to be a thing. That was so close. Anyways, moving on. Something about us and... No! Oh, US and EU? I'm assuming you meant like us, like South Africa. I was like, no, what's happening now? No, we don't need more drama here. Okay. Let's... Give me 2 seconds. I need to go find my dog again now that I no longer have to... It also gives me a moment to stand up, get the brain ready, see if there's one more setup, and then we can go from there. I'm only up like around $200, so I still can get more wins in for today. Not even 200. No, 200. No, shy of 200. 100 and something because I left the runner. That's okay. So we can still place more trades for the day because... Yeah. We good to go. What's up, Wes? How you doing? And then the second after 200 contract came in by, hence the wick down. Be sure this is the second time this happened to you. What? No, to be fair, the first... What? Which part? Second time what happened to me? Hey, Prince Panda. I love that name. I love that name. Is it Panda like Panda Bear? Because they are so cute. I love Panda Bears. Okay, be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Let me go stand up, walk, stop the heart rate from... I love finding SA futures traders. Jeez, what's up? I am him. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Okay, be right back. Okay. Yeah, that was insane. What I tried today, just chilling hard. Diego, do you use prop firms? I'm assuming not. So you can go from 2 points from TP to full stop loss from just a message. True. Well, you know, not really like we've ever had to trade wall before, hey? Aw, Prince Panda, thank you. Like it? Whoop whoop. Oh, winter trading hibernation vacation. I really like that. I love that. Hey, Bartek, what's up? How you doing? For anyone that needs this, here's a whoop whoop for you. Well done. Sure. Hey, can you tell me your fib measurements? Of course I can. Here you go. You see that? There we go. Diego, no. So do you trade a live account, Diego? No, ICT tweeting he's going back. Oh, really? OTT? Do you think NQ will push back to 25k today? Let me have a look. My point of interest is further up at the equal highs, to be fair. Because futures fees and... We've been trading all conditions since Ukraine Russia. I think people forget about that one. You're right, we do. Is that still going? See, is it still going on? I like old-fashioned way. Interesting. Whoop whoop, not whooping. Why? What do you mean whoop whoop, not whooping? Whoop whoop, whooped. We check it. Because it's my GAN box? We are the change? We are the change. You've been here for ages. You know this is my GAN box. You know it's how I trade. What's up? What's the problem? Camera? Sure, I can. Well, like I said, it is actually technically a GAN box, not a fib, but I know everyone confuses it with a fib, which is fair, valid. OTT is rage baiting. You think so? Why? Actually, this annoyed me. You can go on a... There we go. Okay, so with regards to my fib, right, sweet and simple. It's quite a sweet and simple setup, theoretically. This would have worked, just would have been terrifying. Okay, I'll use this one. I'll use this one. This was a terrifying trade, but it worked. So here we go. I draw from, oh, actually, I'll use the correct range. Bottom of the range to top of the range. So I should have theoretically used this range because of the fact, oh, maybe it would have screwed me. Anyways, sorry. Because of the fact that it didn't retrace to the 50%. Okay, no, let's not confuse people. Let me just show you the one that I used. There we go. Trade final. ICT. I'll print my trade, put it on a frame. Do it, Diego. I love that idea, actually. So, bottom of the range to top of the range, make sure there's 3 confluences. And this one I had my fair value gap, my bob level, my shelf. There's a little bit of a volume imbalance as well to the side. So I did have 4, actually. I was about to say 3, that's 4. I did have 4 confluences. So went back, tagged me in, scared me, went up again, gave me some hope, rejected off of the new weekly opening gap, scared the ever-living daylights out of me. Oh my gosh, did I not draw this correctly? If I'd drawn this 100% correctly, this may have... There we go. There we go. That's better. That's how it looked. Scared the absolute living daylights out of me, and then went all the way up. So how I set it, sweet and simple, 50% is entry, 0.2 is stop loss, 1 I take partials, 1.1 is full TP, and sometimes I'll leave a runner. And that's how you have your entries and exits. It's basically a bit more of a set and forget situation. Oh, thanks, Prince Panda. Is it directly involved? You can move the funding and giving them references 1.1 now. Very much 26%, so it's just another entry model. Oh, stop loss and TP. Yeah. Can use magnet, it'll be like, hello, were you chilling outside? Oh, we've got a visitor. Oh, OTT, are you talking about We Are the Change? Why do you think I put him on a timeout? He's always done this, and I got flat full, so I said, you know what? I'm no longer taking kind to some things. Like I said, this is a community of people supporting one another. If you're here to learn, awesome. If you want to ask questions, figure things out, you know, grow as a trader, fantastic. If you're going to be here judging people for their strategies or whatever, you can sit in the corner and learn your lesson. What should be like 3 strikes and you're out. I like that. But the whole point of this now is about community. There we go, okay. So let's zoom back out. Let's see what's happening here. Holy moly. So we're dropping back down again. Like I said, I wasn't even looking at anything because what in the good grief was that? But I'm not taking this. Just before anyone gets excited or yells at me, I'm not taking this. Angel, can I show measurements again? Sure. No problem. Like I said, it's market. That's why it's a GAN box. And it's just to help with the market auction theory. And then I use SMC and ICT confluences. It's literally just... Oh, we need to trader. Too many knows it's holes in this profession. Yeah. We all being played? What's up? How I judge if I think 35 times to print by yourself. I hear that. I hear that. Overthinking. Let's do this. Hammer, here we go. What do you think this is going to start retracing now? Wow, that sounded so scary. Got you. As a technical trader, you gotta know some fundamentals, don't solely rely on techniques. We all being played? What's up? What do you think we all being played with? That sounds weird, but yeah. I feel like that's a valid question. Life, as we know it, because, I mean... Same. Just kidding. Let's not be so negative. At least it feels like I can maybe take a little bit of a breath again. Not nearly where I want to be, but starting to get out of that learning streak. Let's not call it a losing streak. That learning streak. One trade at a time, right? So I'm still going to keep it. Thanks, OTT. I'm still going to keep it downsized until I'm back at 50k. But for now, we continue. Hey, not this. What's wrong with that view, Prince? That's mean. Sometimes the trailers are so obvious we don't. It's obvious. Oh, yeah, I like that. Yeah, sometimes it looks too obvious. Like it's a trick. Like they're lying. They're not gonna be this nice to us. I like that. Why am I not gonna take this one? To be fair, I'm taking a teeny tiny bit of a breather after this because that got the heart pumping and the emotions a little bit spiked, so I'm just trying to calm the emotions back down before I jump into anything again. For me, it's always a good idea to give myself a little bit of a breather between, or else I will either start revenge trading or trying to chase the profits. I have learned the emotions tend to spike after a win or a loss, so I give myself a little bit of time to just and then go again. Do you think the UK is headed to Campbell? I have no idea. I try and actually stay out of politics. I know that's probably not the best thing, but yeah. I didn't say keep it down, so I still did. I said up it when you get your best setup because you. Yeah, but then wait, what? OTT now? I'm confused. Because I had my best setups and they still didn't work. Those were the damn losses. If I will trade at the end of the day, I'll try to trade 1 or 2 trades per day. Win rate go crazy. It'll go back and forth. True. Okay, OTT, let's put it this way. Let me get some confidence back. Like if I have like maybe 1 or 2 more wins and the confidence is back again, then I'll be like, okay, we can start upping this again, right? Let's say, oh, sorry. Was that a trigger word for you, Diego? I apologize. Don't let the chart tell you what you should see. You must see what you expect to see. Okay, elaborate on that one, Pillow. I think I understand what you're trying to say. It's just I've never really heard anyone say that. What's up, Tyler? How you doing? Maya, do a full port like a warrior. Now, are you crazy? Prince Panda, good brief. Muddy's not here, Tyler. I don't know where Muddy is. He hasn't been here for the past 2 days. He's just gone poof. See, problem is, looking at this, I'm like, which is bad. We can't expect Richard drive it Opal. Well, just get back 80%, go down, then go back to your original risk. True. Cheers, David. Enjoy. I have to have a word with my. You do. Go find him. I get to go Ferrari or go. It's not a Ferrari here. It's a pink Bugatti. Damn, the beef betwixt you two is insane. But I'm doing well. I'm currently pre-market. Well done. That's awesome. Whoop whoop, Tyler. Oval isn't a Lambo. I don't live in Dubai. Go on then, OTT. Like what? Like them SA gurus. We just say, screw it. Press that buy or sell button. Put like 100 contracts in. Let's go. Damn. Okay, that's 75 million. That's okay, but hey, Funhouse. I did actually. I caught a trade. It was a terrifying trade, but I caught it. So that's something. Yeah, look at this now. Potentially go. Whew. Like I said, letting the emotions. But I prefer not to buy at the moment. That car, sorry. There we go. Yeah, Hammer, honestly. And proceeds to say, join my Telegram signal group. I'll do my boot camp. Like, am I the only one that doesn't really know Telegram or use Telegram? Who here actually uses Telegram? Like, I know my friend used to use it and she was like, yeah, come get it. So I did. And I was like, this is meh. Everyone just uses WhatsApp anyways. Just full port going Lambo, going British Camel mode. The whoop whoop is the sound of the police. I prefer awooga. The word is a no-no. I will be banned. Anyone that says effort is gone. What color is your Bugatti? It has to be pink. But like that bright pink. Right? That's the plan. Bright pink Bugatti. I'm kidding. I probably won't ever do that, but yeah. It's nice to have weird dreams. You must have a small note of things you want to see price doing before. I mean, yeah, like this one, I wanted it to retest, reject off of the Bob level and the shelf, and then go back up to take out Asia High. It did kind of do, yeah, like I said, it did actually go perfectly to where I wanted it to go. It just came and took me out first, which was kind of rude. Chrome pink, obviously chrome pink, obviously. Right, I make profit. I have a boot camp different from the rest. Trust me, I've never been high. Okay. What's up, Lloyd? How you doing? Use Telegram, but I use it for extracurricular oh.
That's what she said.
Sorry. What do I use to journal your trades? Technically, Emma, I use the Discord now. Yeah, Technically, I use the Discord. I literally take a screenshot of every single one of my trades. Like with this one, I say what happened. But yeah, technically, I actually use the Discord now. Blinded when you see it. Hey, Rail, what's up? Pre-market, I made 10,000. I'm going to keep going up. 7,000, good grief. Just by shorting and longing certain things. Nice. Diego, I can't tell if you're like joking or not right now. I feel like you're joking, but then another part of me is like, maybe you're not joking. Maya's a gangster, don't doubt her. I nearly like threw up gang signs. I was like, I actually don't know what gang signs are. Peace. Oh my gosh. Hey, look at it work out. Well, I say that hasn't hit any major points just yet, but look at it go. That was a bit of an emotional roller coaster, that one right there. That was, okay, I'm gonna... Full joke, awesome. I think you are a dangerous trade. What does that mean? Am I a dangerous trade? It depends. What are you gonna trade me in for? Going back to 2500. So my major point of interest is this 101 level. There's those equal highs. When I say equal highs, there's 3 equal highs. You can see them on the higher time frames. They look really, really good. And it's this 25101 level. That is what I think it at least wants to take out for the buy side liquidity before either continuation back down or we start to see it pushing back up. Because I'm gonna risk investing all in you. Oh, Prince Panda, you such a cutie pie. She's talking about Tyler, that is... Wow, you know, here I was thinking I was cool and then you just came and you were like, ha!
Emotional damage!
Rude. Okay, so Diego's joking, thank heavens. I was like, oh damn, okay then. I need a lot. I don't know what that does that. I don't have my laptop. Let's see if there's any day trade for me. Diego, no, done, you're done. Did you guys see that? Did you see that?
That's what she said.
Sorry, I had to seize the opportunity. Okay, double top to make triple top, so if that's what you're saying, I agree. There we go. Are you starting to trade? What advice do you give me? Find a strategy that works for you. Try not to strategy jump. That's not it. Yeah, it is. Strategy jump. And as soon as you think you're ready, do your paper trading, make sure you like the strategy, and then get a prop firm to not blow through all of your capital. And the reason I say prop firm is because paper trading only does so much with regards to emotions and actually executing the trades. Paper trading, there's no risk, there's no skin in the game. The emotions are not involved, and the emotions and the psychology are the main things that people have to get over when it comes to trading. You are worse than crypto. Do you know why? Why? Diego, I'm just watching my please don't show me armpits. No one wants to see that. Well, that's mean. What if I have nice armpits? What are nice armpits? What do nice armpits look like? Ah, now this is the question. What do nice armpits look like? Just kidding. This has taken such a weird turn. Anyways, back to the chart. Learn risk management. I mean, no thanks, Tyler. He's still because you got all my attention more than 24/7. Oh, Prince Panda. I feel like that might have to go into the unhinged pickup lines. I'm not. It's not unhinged enough yet, though. Close, but not yet. Ooh, okay, let me check my email. Sorry, I got overly excited about that. Because I do like the anime things. You know when you see your bills going off and you kind of want to vomit? That happens sometimes. Oh, I like it. Guys, I would be such a cool anime character. Why am I not an anime character? I would be so cool, but I'm not. I'm just boring, real human being. In funded account, if you pass the challenge, you still get the profit you made in the challenge? No. No. Wait, what do you... Huh? No. Diego? Now you got me all confused. Oh, we all the changes back. Well, welcome back. Oh, I'm trying so hard to not be sassy. Oh, I'm trying so hard to not be sassy. Oh, I'm trying so hard to not be sassy. And just like that, actually, you don't have to worry about leaving because I'm actually going to ban you. 100%. Cheers. Enjoy We Are the Change. Have so much fun. I did tell you that community is what? Supporting one another. If you're going to be here and you're going to be judgy. Cheers. Have fun. You are actually not allowed back on the community. No judgment, pure help. I'm sorry, but everything you have said so far is pure judgment. Helping is a different situation. There's very different situations, so enjoy. And let's see. Done. Sorry guys, my tolerance for people that are here to be mean is this big now. Like I said, this is a community where we are here to actually respect people. If you're gonna be here, I'm not interested. If you're gonna be here, this is about... There we go, blocked. Okay. Yeah, like I said, this is about a supportive community. If you're gonna be here to be mean and judgmental, fine. You can have your opinions. Like I said, you are more than welcome to have your opinions. If you believe something works better, that is fine. That is fine. Like I said, there's not one thing that works. If there was, trading would actually be really, really boring because everyone would trade the exact same way all the same time, all the time. Sorry, now I'm on a bit of a rant. I apologize about that, but he pushed my buttons. He pushed the wrong buttons. Anyways, point is, let's do this. Like that, calling people ignorant and stuff. No. No. If you want to help, be like, I see you did this. What if you tried this? I just noticed this happens. And people can take it or leave it. But the point is that you're trying to help, but you're not judging. You know, there's a way about doing things. Okay, rant over. Let's continue now. Okay, so. Good morning. Why is the market up this morning? Hey, Jack. Apparently there was some news with regards to the crazy stuff happening. Profit, let's say $200. If you pass the challenge, you get $200 or reset the profit. Oh, so you're talking about like a 50k eval challenge, right, Diego? Jose, it's about time. They'll be back with another username, but same negativity. Oh, let's see, Angry Bob. If he does, guess what? Banned again. Is anyone getting a spinning wheel of nothingness? Oh no, Rail, I'm so sorry. No, but Tyler, that's the thing. There's a difference between joking and being rude. You know, like, jokes are fine because this is a community where we're allowed to joke around with one another, you know, but there is definitely a difference, and you can see the difference between people joking and people being serious and mean. Signal rude people. Yeah, is everyone getting spinning wheel? Nothing. I try to respect the child and he doesn't respect me. Bad. Diego, I wish, you know, I would. Like, he looked like an older version of the girl from Wreck-It Ralph. But I mean that with respect. Wait. Which girl? Which one? Like the cute little candy one. That one, Tyler. That is adorable. I will take that. How does the GAN box actually work? What's your thoughts on being able to trade breakouts with it? I'm just trying to learn different little things that might help. Oh no, Kobe Boyle, 100% breakouts, it does not work. 100%. I acknowledge that there are flaws in this trading strategy. I know that. Range-bound days and breakout days, I'm screwed. I can't trade those days. But that's the thing, I acknowledge that there are flaws in it. It's not perfect. Nobody's perfect. I am learning every single day, seeing if I can improve. I'm trying not to like flood it and make it a problem, but it's okay. You should have left him in here. I would have sent him a YouTube link and his wife. Ah, sorry, Mikawave. I mean, I haven't actually banned him properly yet, so maybe you can still get him. Go get him. But hey, what's up? Hi, I'm new. Is that your starting balance or just today's? Hey, Mega Teacher G. Is that right? Is it Mega Teacher G? I apologize if I butchered that. So you're new here, starting balance or just today? So today, sorry, this is my balance that I'm on currently. So I'm actually technically in drawdown. Started with 50, you're allowed $2,000 drawdown. So I am a little bit in drawdown. It's been a rough week. Thank heavens I did have 2 wins now. So slowly climbing back up. Yeah, the glitch. Oh, I like that. You know what, Tyler? That's a compliment. I will take that. Now I just have to dye my hair like black though, hey? There you go. Just Googled it and Google is telling me it's perfect. Oh, goodness. Just checked out the ink. Looks like you're going to be rallying all the way to RTH. Breakout is putting a line you can cross with any reason, but there's a line. Yeah, I understand nothing's perfect in this game. No, but that's exactly right. It's like I said, guys, I have only been trading for 11 months. Is my way of trading perfect? No. Can there be improvements? Yes. Am I at that level where I know, I don't want to say mentally is the wrong word, emotionally, that's it. Emotionally, I'm capable to start messing with it too much. No, OTT can definitely be the person to be like, no, because I do have a habit. One of my things that I do, and I'm very open and honest about this, is I overthink. I sometimes don't take winning A+ trades because I almost talk myself out of it. So if I have to start messing with things too much now, oh, I will shoot myself in the foot. Figuratively. But, you know, that saying, shoot yourself in the foot. Anyways. So that's why, for now, it's working for me. Do I need to maybe see if I can alter it a little bit so that I can trade on the breakout days? I can trade on the more choppy, rangy days. Sure. Am I there yet? No. And part of trading is to be... Unfortunately, you have to be self-aware when trading. Am I wrong for eating pizza at 6 AM? I would judge you if you didn't eat pizza at 6 AM, to be fair. You trade top 1 futures and you trade directly from TradingView. Yes, I am him. That is 100%. Well, no, sorry. It's through Trader8, if that's what you're asking. But yeah. So I use top 1 futures, brokers Trader8. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can't see it at the bottom, sorry. But yeah, Trader8, and I'm on TradingView. I'm new to internal. Do you have any advice on how I should follow your potential trading? Cautiously? No, I'm kidding. We all being played yesterday got me. To be fair, yesterday. I was having such a good day, and then he came and made me sassy again. Why? Yesterday I was sassy because I was in a bad mood. I was actually in such a good mood and he now made me sassy. I don't like banning people because I want people to be part of the community. And now I'm just like, I'm gonna kick a rock at him. So rude. Anyways, how long have I been trading? 11 months. This time last, okay, I can confidently say this time last year I was starting to learn what candles were. But not trading on the charts. Yeah. This time last year I had just started learning what candles were. Hey, what's up, David G? How you doing? Welcome. How's the trades this morning? Not bad, actually. You're doing great. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. It's similar to analysis paralysis. Exactly. Gave you have a strat and try to make more perfect learning and try to improve. Exactly. Ayo, chaos. You missed out on some chaos. What the heck, man? Excuse me. Excuse me. Technically, I did not miss out on the move. It took me out at break even. Well, it was a win. It took me out at break even, and then it went straight to my runner, which was so rude, but it's okay. I tried to register on Tradevate, but because I'm so that. No, seriously, go through top 1 futures. Or no, what? I am him. That makes no sense. I'm South African. Top 1 futures, Tradeify. I don't think Bulanox has Tradevate though, but both Tradeify and top 1 futures. Yeah, and like I said, there's some awesome discounts going on. You can use my code. It's TeachMaya if you're ready for prop firm or not. That's person dependent. But both top 1 futures and Tradeify, you can go via Tradeivate and get TradingView. Hey, Creature, what? I'm not judging your trading. However, I would suggest watch gold and silver for buying and not trading. Wait, Tyler, so you're saying more like investing? Is that what you're saying? Do I trade EFTs? I do not, sorry. I trade TradingView on the 5-minute when I'm more focused. I hear that. Yeah, overthinking is normal sometimes, just part of being human. My problem sometimes is I doubt myself too much. I'm always doubting the future and what might happen. Yeah, Kobe? Stick here, me and you, we've got this. You're welcome, I'm him. I hope it helped. Like I said, if you want some awesome discounts, you can use my code, TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Let me write it here quickly. You can get some discounts if you want. Others will doubt you. Please don't be one of them. Oh, skip a I will skip a rock for every rock that gets kicked. Mr. Chaos, I'm so sorry. Forget about maybe the person will learn a lesson about manners, business, and economics. Abel, what's up? What am I trading? I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Like I said, I was I don't want to say I was looking at this, but this would have been the next potential setup. But I needed to take a breath after this. Guys, this was a little bit of an emotional roller coaster. I'm not even going to sugarcoat that. This, for those of you that missed out on this, Mr. Chaos, you would have loved it. This right here, do you see where this white line is? You see, okay, I'll put my mouse there. That's where my stop loss was. That is how close it got to my stop loss before shooting up to my TP. So it hit my TP, I went, great. My rule is when it hits that, move to break even because I leave one runner. I had a runner to, I think Asia High was around here. I'm assuming. I can't remember where it was, I did delete it, but Asia High was around here. So I was like, awesome, moved to break even, came, whacked my break even, and then went straight to my runner, which felt a little bit personal, but it's fine. I know we're the same age, but I feel like I need to say, man, please don't. Currently on top step. Aw, I'm him, awesome, thank you. We're a sweetie. On investing right now. Oh, but yeah, Tyler, isn't it those... Wait, wasn't gold going down? Also, aren't those the fear? Like, those are the fear assets, so it makes sense that they're going up right now. We're all being played sweating. No, 100%. Have you considered looking at Bookmap? I have. I have considered looking at Bookmap. It is something I have considered. I know some people love it, I know some people hate it. But I really, really have considered looking at Bookmap. It's a heat map, it tells you where orders are sitting in the... Yes. So it's similar to Sienna, right? Sierra, not Sienna. Sierra charts. Isn't that... Stop it, Sarah! One of the only things that you can use with any strategy any time of the day. I missed what you said earlier. But, the book map, yes. Same as a green book. A green book? Green book? Mikuabe, I haven't heard of green book. I know about the Sierra charts, I know about Bookmap. Green book? Is that another one? I'm gonna copy paste that. Bookmap is a good tool, but I think you can be overloaded. Interesting. See, oil is for war between the US and the Middle East, gold is for worries, and silver has been a bit lower than I believe it deserves. That's amazing. Okay, so, okay, we're gonna... Okay. Oh no, I'm looking at the time going, but we're now gonna have this little bit of a debate. Okay, I'm gonna not focus on the charts for just a second. Okay, we're gonna have this little bit of a debate. Are we ready? I am curious about something. Okay, I'm curious about investing. Because I do want to invest eventually. I'm just, for some reason, I'm a little bit scared of investing. Anyways, so my question is this, because there's a lot of different opinions. There's so many different opinions when it comes to investing. And one is that you should invest in like the S&P 500, where it's the top 500 companies. So even if like one of the companies is going bad, doesn't mean the rest of the 499 aren't, and it could still be moving up, right? The other is invest in one asset. The only problem is then if that asset starts doing badly, you are screwed. But I guess your return is better. So I wanted to kind of hear your thoughts on this. I know this isn't an investing channel. Sorry, I'm just... You know, it's to help build each other up. And if you guys have information that helps, awesome. Green book is something brokers use to see where clients' orders are sitting. Mikuabe, do you use that? And a lot of other industries get up for bid was used in terms of small. Buy the dip. True. And got S&P 5. Wait, get trading 212 and invest Vanguard S&P 500. It's easy. See, now I'm gonna copy paste this because you've piqued me curiosity. I don't even know what trading 212 is. Can you see? I haven't done much research when it comes to investing. This is just based off of discussions and stuff we've had. Oh, on Discord, I'll make a message on Discord explaining why I banned that person. So the smart thing to do is spread your money across 5 industries. Okay. Hey, Conrad, what's up? Welcome. Trading 212 is just an app. Oh, okay. So is it kind of like, I want to say Satrix. I downloaded Satrix before, never invested anything, but I did download. Put it in Kobe Boyle, especially now. But then, okay, the next question is, so this is where some guy had a bit of a thought about this. He was like, it makes more sense. So it's kind of like swing trading. Would it be better to place it and take it out when you think it's at a crucial point and then reinvest? So you almost keep taking and placing back and taking, placing. So you're continuously getting those profits. Was it better to just set it and forget it, and I don't want to say hope, but hope for the best? Being honest, my investing in S&P is great. You understand economics enough to be a trader. It's not much different. At least if you hold shares in S&P 500, you have economical terms. Yes. See. Hey, Olivia, what's up? They are essential. Oh, I don't know what I was doing. I was trying to do this and then I missed my nose. That is true. I have noticed that S&P and gold are opposites, which doesn't help. I think markets. Mr. Chaos, when is news? Hold crypto too. Oh, there's a lot of crypto debate. Oh, scary topic, that one. There's a lot of crypto debate. Well, it's just a user-friendly investing app. People like my dad uses, just like put 10k in there, and over there it could compound 4%, it could compound 30, just depends on, I'm assuming the rest of that is what you put in, right? Hey Nancy, what's up? Choose 5, minor, bio, industrial manufacturing, technology, and option trading. JPM already did a study on this for investing. PE ratios, elevated 10-year outlook. It's not just way. Oh, Mr. What did I say? Oh, what time is news? That's what I asked, Mr. Chaos. The most important part is just say to yourself and not listen. Oh, interesting. See, invest in Finviz. 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 That's fun to say. You're gonna regret teaching me that. Oh, brah. Look at it go. Would have been such a good entry. Well, I'm not upset I didn't take it. Let's just put that out there. I'm not upset I didn't take it. So this would have been a partial, so I would have moved to break even. Because I did need to give myself a minute to whoosa. And also the price action has, well, the volume's dried up slightly now. Well, so, I mean, you can't really compare the English. Finish one thing I've used. Better yet, put it into silver. Silver is considered a safe haven asset now. The only difference, gold is worth 5,000, silver is $80. More money in silver. See, that's so interesting. A lot of people would say that gold was the safe haven. So the only problem with silver is that it's more volatile than gold. Yep, gold rises, silver rises, more vice versa, exact same as Bitcoin compared to Ethereum. Just depends on how profitable it is for the year, but these companies are subject that always growing, so it might drop in, yeah, but if you leave it for a year or two, then you'll make money. So Mikuave, have you invested? When I made more than 100k, I now take care of my mother. If I listened to everyone else, I would have been in South Africa or West. What? Tyler? Tyler. What's wrong with South Africa? What? Am I gonna have to ban you? No, I'm kidding. Anyways, are we maybe gonna tap the 4 hour? Yeah. Oh, that was funny. 260 contracts is for every actual ounce of gold. That's a crazy. Nothing at all. Yeah. Oh, I'm kidding. Okay, guys, I might actually call it there. So nice to see. Okay, wait, let me just quickly show you. Lots of people who do, they keep it simple. Not trading like us. It's simple, just wait for big drawback and then leave it. See, you know, the plan is to eventually, maybe once I've taken 2 or 3 payouts. I'm being optimistic, it's gonna happen. Maybe once I've taken 2 or 3 payouts, then start investing a little, like, portion of it. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna keep day trading, but not a bad thing to have some like people say, it's good to have a bunch of different, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's what I was going to say, a bunch of different baskets, but that's not the saying. The saying is don't put all your eggs in one basket. So, you know, take an egg, put it there, take an egg, put it there, take an egg, put it there. So it makes sense with regards to the five different assets and just go for it. Maybe one wins, one loses. It is what it is. Sorry, you guys can now quickly have a looky-see here. So that actually would have been a beautiful tap-in and going up. Interesting. Like I said, there was a reason I didn't take it, and that reason, sweet and simply, is because the emotions were spiked after this chaos that happened over here. And volume did dry up. I expected some... I don't even know what I expected from after this mayhem, but that's okay. Do you know what we do? We go touch grass. And we come again for New York session. That do be the plan. So it made it. Yes, it did. Okay. That being said, and because that is the plan, I am then going to call it there for today. Let me go touch some grass. I'm not going to the horses today. Sad, but it does mean that then maybe I can just get some... Okay, no, I'm going to go for a walk first, else I'm going to spend too much time on the charts and my brain's going to... Okay, so... Oh, the coffee's kicked in. I love you guys madly. I will be back for the New York session, so I'll see you back here in a few hours. Yeah? See you back here in a few hours, you guys. are awesome sauce. You are the awesome sauce. I love you madly. Trade safe if you are still trading. If not, I'll see you for New York Open. Thank you for this. By the way, this investment conversation is not over. Yeah, this is not over just yet. But I love you guys madly. See you for the New York session. Okay, trade safe. Bye.